Hi, welcome to my channel. I have another one of these little folio folder journals that I just listed on eBay actually today. And today's Saturday. Yeah, I'm having so much fun that I'm just making a bunch of these because you can just make them all different. This one is a retro using Authentique Fabulous. And I just bought this paper line. I think it's really cute. I like the retro style of it. This is Capture the Moment. And then I have it's a little wooden dress that I thought was cute because this lady here, Stay Sassy. Then I added some of these little felt flowers. They look kind of retro. And then I added red rickrack here, a little black rickrack, and then some tiny red or black and white mini rickrack, and then pink and red eyelash trim. And then here is mini pom-pom trim. And there's a 1-inch spine. Then here is the back. And this is about 9 by 5.5. So there's the back, and it also has this mini rickrack there. It's really cute. I want to make myself one. And then you open it up like the others. Let's see if I have space here. And then it opens up this way. Here's the journal. And then this opens up this way. Then it has, and then how it closes up goes like this, that, and there you have it. So let's go into it. It turned out really cute. I love this paper line. Okay, so here's the cover, and then you open it up, and I used my Cricut, what's the name of the cartridge? I can't remember, but it's really cute. I thought that was cute, this little retro apron. So I cut that out, added this label so you could add a date or whatever you would want. Then I had this cute little stamp from Stampabilities, vintage mixer. Isn't that cute? So I put that there, and then here's a little tuck here, right here. And then I added, this is on a vellum envelope, and then in here I just added this card, remember you are fabulous. Backed it with some paper that has been inked, and a little card for a picture. So that just goes back in a little vellum envelope. And then this has a little tuck here, so it will keep this envelope from sliding out. So we have that. Then this opens up. We have a belly band that says "This Beautiful Life." Then in here we have a little tag that you could write. It has cute little flamingos. And then I added this little 60-cent price tag here and inked it up. And then on the back, more cute paper from that paper line. So this little pocket here says the good stuff. You could add a little picture. And then this was from a digital. I just had this. I thought it was cute, kind of vintage, and it has the pink on the back. Kool-Aid dyed. I think this is from Nevermore Creations 17. I think it was pink collection that I got that from. Then these two go in back into this pocket. And then we have this little, so stay curious. Then you have these little papers, paper pad for writing that have been coffee dyed. And then you have a pocket, this tiny little card. Isn't that cute? Take note. Oh, the pink and green. You could put a picture there. Then you have these glasses, retro glasses. And then you have a little booklet that's been sewn. And it has coffee dyed papers. Beautiful paper. That goes back in that pocket. Then we come to the journal, and I added this little card. You could put a date or whatever you wanted to. It has Life's a Bowl of Cherries. This cute card, Best Friends. Added some rickrack there and backed it on paper and inked it. And this cute paper. Then here's the journal. Here's a little tuck here. It says be yourself. You could put a picture. Just added a blue index card for extra writing. And then I made this little booklet. This was a doily. Oh, here's the front of it. Just added some washi, some green stamps, S&H green stamps. And then you could put little pictures and you could write in here. So I thought that was adorable. Then we have writing paper. I love the pink edge on that. And then children's writing paper. We got coffee dyed paper. This is from, it's kind of funny, from a vintage or retro cookbook. And it's like when they used to do a lot of aspics and molded cheese salad and ambrosia. They had a lot of orange gelatin rings. Isn't that funny? And then you got ledger paper, children's writing. This is from, I think the 70s book, National Geographic. And look at the Millers introduced the 7 wonders of their new GE microwave oven, the Whiz. Look how huge that is. That's funny. Coffee dyed paper. Of course, you're going to have a Dick and Jane page. She's got her apron on. Cute. More writing paper. This is from another National Geographic. And there's a Apple computer, giant one. Look at all that. I think this is from the 70s or 80s. Here is a coffee dyed paper. This is music paper. And the stamp bled through, which I think is kind of cute of this little girl. I got this stamp. It's called Curtsy Obsession Impression, or Impression Obsession. Yeah. Impression Obsession. I love this. Dawn H creates on her channel. She had this, so I got it from 123stitch.com. I love it. Isn't that cute? So I put her there. I'm going to be using the stamp a lot. I love it. And then we got more Dick and Jane. Coffee dyed. Line paper. Another National Geographic with this automobile. This part of GE huge 1977 TV. I remember the first time we got our giant TV like this, first colored one. In the 5th or 6th grade, that was a big deal to get a color TV. It was a Zenith, I remember that. Here is coffee dyed paper. And we got some kind of a graph line paper here. I think this jewelry is pretty, from the National Geographic. And there's an Oldsmobile custom cruiser, station wagon. This is a stamp I have, a vintage type stamp. This is Hero Arts design blocks. It's got retro things on it. Variety, variety and quality is what it's called. So got that one stamped on here. Here's the middle of the signature, and it has these cute little buttons sewn here. This one's a wood one. I thought they were pretty. Let's see, and then this little card is a tuck, and we have this for writing. In that little pocket. And then we have another little card. I added this rickrack, and then there's that little mixer, so you could journal on that. And then let's see if I can find this stamp. And I want it to look old. I mean, I did 2 different inks, so it would look kind of faded like that. This is another Hero Arts, and it's called Make Your Own Hero Arts stamp. Another National Geographic 1979 Oldsmobile custom cruiser. More of that, vintage jewelry. Graph paper. We got coffee dyed paper, and here's part of that big giant TV console. Then we have, these were the days where the TV was, you only had maybe 3-4 channels. Remember that, and you have to get up and change the channel yourself. Oh boy. Oh, here's a tuck here. Oh, what went here? Maybe this went here. This, stamp the lines, and the line stamps were called Cover a Card. This is also Impression Obsession. I love their stamps. I mean, they're not cheap, but they're nice quality. So these are the lines that I used for this. It's called Journaling Lines, Impression Obsession. So that can be put there. There's that Apple computer, the other side of that, and this pretty jewelry. Got line paper. Here's a little tuck with a little S&H green stamps. You could also put something else in this little pocket. And that's the other side of that microwave, I believe. Then you have children's line paper and ledger. Here's the other side of the recipe. Coffee guide, lined. And here's the end with this little cherry paper. It's so cute. Just added this for a little element for interest. This opens up, and then you have your little your little paper stack here with all your little papers, things I love. And this is the pocket. Keep it sassy. Gotta keep it sassy. You could put a picture, and then I backed this and inked it so you could write on it. And this cute paper. And then right here was a tablet. I wanted you to see this paper. I love it. It's so pretty. And then this goes back in here. And then I cut around, which was what was already behind there, so that you could tuck this. You could always, I don't know if you need a paper clip or not. I think it sits in there pretty good, actually. Then added this little notes, and this little label. It's got these retro sunglasses and the flamingos. And then you got your coffee dyed paper. It's cute. Okay, then we have this, and here's the little black pom-pom trim. It's a little sticker here. It says beautiful. So I have this, hello there, with some rickrack. Backed it and inked it. And this is just a cute little tiny paper pad. Cute. Did I show this? That's for a picture. You can put a picture there. And then, let's see, then we come to the back. So here's the back. I added some more of these fun little felt flowers. They look retro to me. And rickrack here, and I added this label sticker. Then you have 1, 2, 3 pockets. Here's this one. If the crown fits, wear it, of course. You could add a picture there. Change your outfit, change your life. I just added that. You could add a picture on the back. I like that retro kind of paper too. Here is another little place to add pictures. And this is a little punch that I used, this heart punch. Then you have a pocket at the top. You can pull it out with this little felt flower. And then I backed it with paper and I put those lines on it. So this is the Authentique Fabulous paper line Folio folder journal. And this will be listed. Oh, it is listed actually today. So it is in my store, Pam's Paper Place. So if you're interested, just check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.